So starting today we will learn the chapter number 12, where we will learn the Heron's formula and its application. So to understand what is Heron's formula, let's recall back again the class 8, how we have found the formula, means the area of a triangle. So if you remember from class 8, this is how we have done. Say for a triangle, if we know the base and the height, if you know this particular base, and suppose let's have a height here. If you know the base, this base and the height, we can find the area of this triangle by using that general formula, which is half of base into height. Half of base into height. So on class 8 you have learned like this. This should be okay. Area of triangle equals 1 by 2, half base into height. This is what we have learned in class 8. What if we do not know the base and the height? Can we find the area of triangle? That's what we are going to learn today. So according to this Heron's formula, it says if we do not know the base and the height, but if we know the three sides, before that let's give the name of the triangle is triangle A. Here, let's write triangle ABC. And if we know the three sides, A, let's write there B and C. If we know these three sides, we still can find this area of triangle. This area of triangle we can find, but not by area of triangle of half base into height, by another formula. So how do we get this formula is out of your syllabus, but we will learn only how to apply that formula. So according to Heron's formula, it says something like this. To find the area of this triangle, first what we'll do is find the perimeter. Okay, so find the perimeter. Perimeter means, to find the perimeter, what we'll do, we'll add the three sides. So this will be A plus B plus C. So first find the perimeter. So perimeter is, now AB plus C. After finding perimeter, again find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter again is A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is the formula for semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So let's represent this semi-perimeter also by S. So S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now after finding the semi-perimeter, comes to what is the Heron's formula. So by Heron's formula, it says area of triangle equals to square root of S to the S minus A to the S minus B and then S minus C. So this is what we call as the Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle. Now for the applications, the application for this, so from your textbook, the first question, the question number 1, 12.1. Here, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180. So let's represent that board by this. Okay, let's fill up with some color here. Okay, so we have to find the area for this board, but sides are not given. How do we get the sides? Because here in the Heron's formula we have side, the semi-perimeter minus the first side, semi-perimeter minus second side, and semi-perimeter minus third side, but here we do not know the side. So let's think these sides as A, B and C. Now according to the question, even though we do not know the sides, the sum of these three sides are given. That means perimeter is already given. Now here the perimeter of A plus B plus C is already given as 180 centimeter. Since we know the perimeter is 180 centimeter, we can find what is the side. So side A, or sides, let's write sides. The A equals to 180 divided by 3. Since all the sides are same, so if we divide by 180 divided by 3, you will get the side is 60 centimeter. So the first side here is, this is 60, even this is also again 60, and this is also again 60. Now we have all the three sides. And for the semi-perimeter, since we have the sum of the three sides, this A plus B plus C is 180. 180 divided by 2, then the semi-perimeter will be 90. Now the area for this triangle, or area of the board, so area of the board will be equals to this much. If you apply the formula, means the value at here, S is 90, so put 90 here. 90 to the 90 to the 90 minus 60. And since all this 90 minus 60 is same, I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, this is 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, and 90 minus 60. From here again, if you take the square root, let's write the one equal sign here. Okay, square root of 90 into 90 minus 60 is 30. So we have here 30, and then this also, let's copy it. Okay, yes, okay, so we have 90 into 30, 30 into 30 again, so 90 minus 60 is 30. Now to find the square root for this, let's break this 90 as 3 into 30. 3 into 30, and so 90 breaking as 3 into 30, and then the rest, the 330s we have here. From here to get the square root, let's make the squares as square root of 30 to the power 2 into 30 to the power 2 into 3. Taking the square root of the square root of 30 square, we have the answer is 30. Sorry, 30 into 30, and again the square root of 3. But square root of 3 is not there, so let's put square root of 3 as like that only. And 30 into 30 is 900, so 900 square root of 3. Okay, 3 centimeter square. So this will be the area for the signboard. So just see how we find the area for this signboard and the ideas applied it here. Let's remind again, to find the area for this board we need the perimeter. The perimeter a plus b plus c for this question is already given 180, so we have 180, and sides is 180 divided by 3. This 180 divided by 3 will not be doing for all the questions, but for this question the 3 sides are same, so we divide it by 3. So we got the 3 side is 60. Now we go for semi-perimeter, the half of the perimeter. 180 divided by 2, we have 90. So area of the board by using the Heron's formula is 900 square root of 3 centimeter square. This is how we solve the first question. We'll see the next question, number 2. But before that, check this whether you understand this or not.